What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and I have a special treat for y'all today. I know I've been talking about a 2K giveaway for a smooth minute now, but we are 4 subscribers away from 1,900 subscribers at 2K. I will be doing a giveaway, and I was gonna give away old Tune 45 mat that I had, but I thought, nah, let's go ahead and just get a new one. So that is what we have in this box here. So a lucky winner will receive a power mat by Tune 45. Somebody's random hair in here. Anyways, let's see what's in the box.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
There's more than just a mat, but we're gonna use this handy dandy razor here. Min, how do you do this, bro?
You gotta slide it out, bro. Yeah, it's push down and slide it out.
Okay, there we go. All right, we got that taken care of. And I'll let you see me slice it because you guys are weird and you like to watch people open stuff. I'm probably not even in the crevice, am I? Oh, there we are. There it is, there it is. They always say cut away from you, but YOLO. Then we end up in the hospital. All right, box is open. Oh, before I get into the content of the box, shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply for hooking it up. If you're not following them on Instagram, go to Instagram, search up FW Barber Supply, go follow them. They always take care of me, give me expedited shipping, 1-2 days max. They will take care of all your barbering needs, all your barber supply needs. Those are who I got the JRL clippers from, the JRL comb set. Also a lot of the Hunter, I think it's 1117 or something like that, the product line. They hooked me up with that too. And then now they're hooking me up with more 245 gear. So I'll let you guys see what we got. All right, first and foremost, what we got in the bin here is going to be another blade disposal case that I've been needing. I've searched every supply store here in Amarillo and I have nowhere, they have not been found anywhere in town. I got a power clip for the Andis Slimline Li, which is the Andis GTXs I just got. So we're gonna throw the power clip on there. Also, we got the expansion, the wireless charging pad. And this you throw on the 245 mat and then your clip charges wirelessly through that. And then last but not least, we got the 245 power mat, which some lucky winner will be getting this brand new. I'm not even gonna open it. So whoever gets this is gonna be the first one to open it. So shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. And without further ado, further waiting, we are gonna get the rules of the 2K giveaway situated here. So a few weeks ago, I put up a video. It was called a military high bald fade tutorial. I'll put the actual name of the video here, and I'll also leave a link up in the corner that you can click on to go to that video. And if you want to enter the 2K giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram at Jayblends_. Second thing you're gonna do is go over to that video, subscribe to the channel, and then on that video in the comment sections, put hashtag Jayblends 2K giveaway. So in order to be entered into this giveaway, I will put exactly what to type right here. And you wanna make sure that you put everything verbatim, exactly how it's typed inside that comment section. You can only enter once, and I will filter out any duplicate entries. So once again, that is follow me on Instagram at Jayblends_, subscribe to the channel, go to that military high bald fade tutorial, and in the comment section put hashtag Jayblends 2K giveaway, and you will be entered into the giveaway. So share this with people, share this with your friends, family, whatever, anybody who's into barbering. I'm gonna be trying to bless somebody with a 2K, bless somebody with a 245 power mat. So just stay tuned, stay locked in, and I hope you into this giveaway because the 245 power mat is a must cop if you are a barber. They have a lot of dope gear, and you can go on the website and see what they got. They have a lot of stuff, so just stay tuned, and we'll get this giveaway underway. But other than that, I appreciate everybody who is subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video, and until next time, God bless.